Hello friends of Frankenstein Motors, welcome back to our channel for a new episode in the backstage. What we have today is the seat bench that we developed for the BMW R45, which you can see in our previous episode. This is specifically developed for the twin shock rear frame, and it basically consists of a plate, metal plate, which we designed and laser cut exactly to fit the profile of the rear frame. Is all in one piece apart from the fender and the front attachment, which I'm going to show you in a second, and also includes the number plate as well as the rear lights and blinker indicators, all in one piece, as I said, which has been then bent and reinforced with the fender itself. This is how at the front it gets fit to the front frame. So we have an adapter plate, which you can see here, with the side adjustment, which basically go, if you see the rear frame that we have here for new prototyping, the front plate goes exactly at the front attachment of the rear frame, and the two attachments then at the back basically use these two screws. Now we are going to revert again the plate so you can see it better. So these are the holes where it goes attached to the rear frame, and as well as the plate which is used to attach it at the front. And the plate itself, this secondary plate at the front, is also used to fit and attach the seat bench, which is a beautifully made by Royal Enfield, so plenty to find online. We realize it has exactly the same profile as the BMW. As you can see, it's really made for it. Or basically we adjust it to make it fit our project. And just turning it upside down, I can show you how is it. At the front, these are the attachments from the seat bench, how it fits. And then with two additional screws, we fix the plate to the seat bench, or the other way around. As we didn't touch the frame, so it goes attached to the frame, you don't need any TÜV approval. It is basically a seat bench replacement of the original, and it also includes the fender. So this is how the Scrambler seat looks like, and in the next episode, which we're gonna show you shortly, please follow our channel, you will see how we are going to transform the rear frame of the monoshock into a bobber seat bench.